So physical inventory, normally before we go for that inventory document, I told you to copy this parameter, no? So there was some error. Now it's solved. I just do that again. SPRO, IMG, materials management, and then logistics, salala. Inventory management, physical inventory. There, physical inventory. Cycle counting. So select 0001 A, B, C, category A, B, C and D. Copy here. Just hit enter double time. Okay. So now just you have to replace your plant here. EX00 EX00. Okay. And save the data. Now what you have to do, go to that MMB stock for which one you want to do inventory. So here new material alla. So I will take this one, 200 quantity is there. So for this we will do the physical inventory. Logistics, physical inventory, here physical inventory document MI01 create. Plant is EX01, raw material. What is the material you want to do physical inventory? This one, 8111. Enter and save here. So inventory document is created. 7011 is created. Come back. Then again inventory count MI04. Enter. Fiscal year 2025. This error no. Possible only for period because now February month is closed. Now I am in the month of March. I have to change the month. So remember, I think last month also I showed you to change the month. MMPV T code. To change the month. MMPV. Don't forget this T code. From company code EXID. Period is 03. I want to open 2025. So execute. It is converted. Now again MI04. Okay, quantity 200 is showing Allah. I will show as 150 physical count. 150 is there in the godown and save the data. Now counting is done. Now the difference I have to post. Difference MI07 post. Enter. So here see 50 quantity, 50,000 is the difference. Now what is the reason? Might be wrong delivery. Okay. Enter. So these one error pa. Account determination GBB, EXID, EVC 1 not possible. That is EVC 1 andre our valuation class for raw material. You have to link to integration. Go to proceed. Cancel. Account assignment. Where I am getting GBB Allah. GBB, double click here. Chart of account is INT1. INV here. INV, copy this. EXID INV EVC1 enter, save the data. And save. Now it is inventory posted is posted. Now check the stock in MMB. So now it is 150. So like this you have to adjust. Okay. So this is how we are going to do the physical inventory management. Now next one, in STO we have done route Allah, wherein we have done 301 movement type and we have completed that. Now coming to the SD route here, we have to integrate with SD module. What are all the steps you have to follow? What are all the steps you have to follow here? So you have to go to your raw material. You have to go to your raw material. What is my raw material attribute here? ED00. There you have to enable sales view. That is first step. Step number 2, you have to go to finance module and you have to create the customer group. Same how you have created the vendor group, vendor account number range. Same way you have to create customer group, customer number ranges. You have to assign the customer number ranges to group. You have to create that. Step number 3, you have to maintain partner function. Partner function means one will be the purchaser, one will be the buyer. So you are selling to plant 2, seller, plant 1 will be the seller. So you have to maintain that partner function, so that because the delivery is taking place at SD level, so you have to maintain that partner function. Sold to party, to whom you are shipping, to whom you are billing, that we call it as partner function in SD module, that we have to maintain. The seller and the biller, those you have to display. So that you should create a partner function at SD module. Then next level I will compare. So this is the 3 steps you have to do. So I made notes very clearly. Step by step you have to follow. First 3 steps. Enable the sales view for your raw material, create customer configurations, and create the partner function. These 2 both are in SD level. First you do this. Okay, come here. So OM S2 is your attribute. ED00. Double click here. Now come here. See, enable this sales view. Enable this sales. Save the data. Next one, come to IMG. Financial accounting. ER and AP. Customer accounts. Master data. Preparations. And then define account group screen layout here. Click on new entries. Create a group. What is your group? Give anything. EXDC, domestic customer. For company code, EXID. Now create the number ranges. So here also same thing, you have to copy from the table. Example bar. I'll take A6, 451 to 600, only 75 numbers are created, so I will take A6. Okay, come back here, assign number ranges to customer account group, EX A6, come back. The next one, minimize this. This is over. Now come to sales and distribution, basic functions, partner determination, setup, partner determination. Here customer master. So I have to link to account group here. New entries. So EXDC is my sorry. There is a code pa. SP group is EXDC, SH ship to party, EXDC, BP bill to party, and PY EXDC. Enter, just enter and save the data. Now partner function is done. Now in the next level, what I have to do in MM? Create material master for STO. You have to create one material master for STO and you have to extend for both the plants. Plant 1 and plant 2, you have to extend here. First we will do that. Create material master. MM01. So EX or ED SD STO. Industry sector is EXID and here your raw material. You have to select sales here. Purchasing, purchase order text MRP1. Sales view, organization level, plant EX00 sales organization RM. What is my sales organization? So each sales organization here, nothing, item category, make to order, you can enter. And general plant here, availability check is KP, no check. Transportation group, I am sending by truck. Loading group, manual. MRP type ND, no planning here. So new elation class. Now I created a law. So same thing you have to extend to plant 2. EX01. Okay, material masters are created. Now next is you have to do the GR without purchase order, because it is not a selling to vendor. I am moving from one plant to another plant. So just you have to do the GR without PO. So movement type you have to take 501. 501 you have to take the movement type here. So come to SAP MB1C. So here STO SD, movement type is 541. Sorry, 501. Sorry. Receipt without purchase order into warehouse. 501. Enter. So here material this one EDSTO, quantity you take 200. Enter. Again account determination. What is this? GBB, EXID, ZOB, EVC1 not possible. Again you have to do integration here. Proceed. Where is that? GBB. ZOB, no? So ZOB. Copy this. ZOB. Valuation class EXID and EVC1. Save the data. Okay, now save this. Now it is done. Chiro. Now you have to create the customer master centrally. You have created vendor master. Now you have to create the customer master center level. Okay. So here logistics SD master data business partner customer create XD01 complete. XD01 enter. So you have to select the group. I created no EXDC, this one, and you have to give the sales area. What is my sales area? This one ESO1 ED and EX. ESO1 is my sales organization, distribution channel is ED, division is EX. Enter. So here first one general data, create the ED logistics. Okay, company code data. Here reconciliation account, we have taken sundry creditors. You have to take form 1440 sundry debtors customer. You have to select this GL. Sort key 31 customer, cash management group E2 domestic customer. Then you have to select sales data here. So in sales data one by one you have to update. In sales data sales office you have to take. This is my sales office ESO2 sales group. Then customer pricing procedure, I will take one standard. Come to shipping conditions, how you are going to ship your goods. Delivery priority will be high priority and shipping conditions standard. Then billing documents, here Incoterm CFR Bangalore, terms of payment 0001. Partner function, once I get the number I will assign the partner function. Then these are all the detail you have to update. Save your customer. So it is created 476. Now I have to update the partner function. Change XD02, come to partner function, link that SP 476, SH 476, BP 476, PY 476. Save. Okay, now it's created. Now onwards you have to start STO process. Now onwards In that, first you have to define the shipping data. So whatever the two plants are there, whatever the customer I have created, you have to link to the shipping condition. Then you have to maintain the assign delivery type and checking rule. How you are going to assign, how you are going to deliver the goods, you have to assign the delivery type and checking rule. Then you have to maintain the document type UB. UB is for stock transfer. The document type you have to assign to your plants. Okay. So first we'll do this. Come to materials management, purchasing, purchase order. Here set up stock transfer order. Define the shipping data for plants. So where is your plant? EX00. Double click here. What is the customer number which I created? This one. Sales area ESO1. Then ED EX. Okay. So your customer and sales area you have to attach, save. Then next one, plant number 2 EX01, again 476, same thing. Link and save. Come back here. Next one, assign delivery type and checking rule. Click on new entry. So the delivery type is UB, stock transfer. And shipping plant EX00, delivery type you have to take NL anta barutte. Where is that? Replenishment delivery. Replenishment delivery means from plant 1 to plant 2 I will dump, again I will come back to plant 1 again. It is not going to complete in one day. That is, we call it as replenishment delivery. And CRI, customer relationship identification, it is through SD delivery. Then same process, UB EX01 NL B. Okay, save. Then come back here, assign the document type. One step procedure, you have to assign the document type here. New entry, shipping plant EX00 EX01, type is UB. So one step, save. Just vice versa, you have to assign the interchange the plants here. Come back. Next one, you have to come to logistics execution module. You have to maintain the shipping point. You have maintained shipping point Allah. For your two plants, you have to maintain the shipping point. What is my shipping point? EXP1. Logistics execution. Here, what is that? Shipping, basic shipping functions, and here shipping point goods receiving. There, assign shipping points you have to take. Assign shipping points. Click on new entry. So here service category standard. Loading group manual. I am going to load manually. Plant. So EX00 PR means peripheral shipping point. Peripheral shipping point also same thing. EXP1. Main shipping point EXP1. This peripheral main shipping point means, for example, you have to deliver the goods From Jigni to Davaspet, assume plant 1 is there in Jigni. So on the way you are having the shipping point in Nelmangla, and destination shipping, main shipping point is Tumkur, assume. So directly if you are going to main shipping point without any halting, you can select direct main shipping point. If you are going to halt in Nelmangla, that will become peripheral shipping point. That is the meaning. Peripheral shipping point, main shipping points. Okay. Again 02 0003 manual, EX01, EXP1 and EXP1. Enter and save the data. Okay. Come back here. Now this is the process of STO. Now create one purchase order. If everything goes correctly, system will allow you to do STO. ME21N, and here document type is UB. So supplying plant is EX00, no vendor number. Purchase generation material. This is the material. Quantity is 200 each. Delivery date I will take today's date only, because I want to execute STO. I want to check whether it is coming or not. Plant EX01, plant 2 you have to take, storage location RM. Sorry, each. Okay. Now checkbox here and save the PO. So this is the PO number 450017913. Now we execute the STO here. Logistics, SD module, shipping and transportation, outbound delivery, create here collective processing, VL 10D, purchase order items, VL 10D, purchase order items. Okay, double click here, and shipping point EXP1, purchase order. What is the purchase order? Just now I created Allah. Supplying plant EX00. Okay, you just enter this detail and execute the STO. It should come. Yes, it is executed. Select here and then background. So it is done. Now if you want to see this, go to log for delivery creation. See here, click on this documents, display documents. See, this is the replenishment delivery is executed, STO is executed. It's done correctly. Okay, like this you will do. Okay, like this you have to do the stock transfer order STO. Okay, so these are about the complete your syllabus part. So the next you have to prepare for your interviews.